exercise 1.2, third one. Prove that the greatest integer function f from R to R given by f of x equal to greatest integer function x is neither 1, 1 nor onto. F from R to R defined by f of x equal to greatest integer function x. What is the meaning of greatest integer function x? Greatest, that means greatest integer less than or equal to x. For example, f of 1.1, that is equal to greatest integer function 1.1, that is greatest integer. What is the value of greatest integer function 1.1? That is greatest integer less than or equal to 1.1. We know 1.1 is not integer. So which is the greatest integer less than 1.1? 1. So what is the value of the function f of 1.1? That is equal to 1. Now what is f of 1.2? Greatest integer function 1.2, 1.2. That is greatest integer less than or equal to 1.2. Since 1.2 is not integer, greatest integer less than 1.2, that is 1. So the value of this function, value of f of x when x equal to 1.2 is 1. Now what is f of 2.5? 2.5, greatest integer function 2.5, that is greatest integer less than or equal to 2.5, that is 2. Greatest integer less than this number, that is 2. Now what is greatest integer function 2? F of 2, that is greatest integer less than or equal to 2. So here 2 is already an integer. Therefore, value of f of 2 is 2. Greatest integer less than or equal to 2. So here since 2 is integer, f of 2 equal to 2. Now see the value of the function for different values of x. For every real number, for every x belongs to the real number, the value of the greatest integer function is defined. And the value of the function, see the values 1, 1, 2, 2, etc. So the value of the function or the images are always integers. See 1, 2, 3, etc. So f of negative 1, negative 1. So negative integers also will be there. So the value of the function is always integer. So here this is a function from R to R. So domain R and range is also R, R to R. So here both are set of real numbers. But here the images, so here there is any real number. When we find the value of the function, we get only integers. So here all real numbers are there. But only the integers, see the integers, only integers have the pre-image. So here suppose 1.1 here in the codomain. So 1.1, we will not get 1.1. The value of the function is always integers. So only integers have the pre-image. And we can see image of 1.1, that is 1. Image of 1.2, that is 1. Image of 1.3, 1. So different elements have same image. So it is not 1, 1. So we can write the answer. So remember that this is the domain, this is the codomain. So first we can write it is not 1, 1. Why it is not 1, 1? We have to show that since it is not 1, 1, just to show with one example. Just show that two different elements have same image. So just to write here 1.1 and 1.2 have same image 1. Only that you have to mention. So we can write 1.1 and 1.2 of R. Which is at R? This domain or codomain. Here 1.1 and 1.2 of this domain. This R means domain because both are domain and codomain. Both are real numbers. But we have to mention which is that. So 1.1 and 1.2 of R, which is domain. So 1.1 and 1.2 of R have same image. Have same image. Same image 1. See the image of 1.1, 1, image of 1.2, 1. So here 1.1, 1.2 are elements of the domain. For the two elements of the domain, they have same image 1. Therefore, f is not 1, 1. If it's not 1, 1. Now we can show it is not onto. Now onto means what? If you take any arbitrary element from the codomain, it should have some pre-image. See here we know the value of the function is always integers. So the non-integral values in the codomain have no preimage because value of the function is always integers. So only integers in the codomain have a preimage. Other non-integral values have no preimage. So we can write the non-integral values. The non-integral values or non-integral numbers of R which are codomain. Non-integral values of R were codomain. R is the codomain. The non-integral values of R have no preimage. Have no preimage. Preimage in R domain. So the non-integral values of the codomain have no preimage. Only integers have the preimage. Non-integral means non-integers. So preimage in R. Therefore, it is not on 2. So we prove it is not on 1, not on 2. Now fourth question. Now fourth one. See, show that modulus function is neither on 1 nor on 2. We know what is modulus function. F of x equal to modulus x. We have to prove that it is neither on 1 nor on 2. So we can show with example. We know modulus x. If you consider, see here it is a function whose domain and range both are real numbers. So it is a function from R to R. And we can write here, if you consider two numbers, f of negative 1. What is f of negative 1? Modulus negative 1, that is equal to 1. What is f of 1? That is equal to modulus 1, that is also equal to 1. So f of minus 1 equal to 1, f of 1 equal to 1. So two different elements have the same image. Therefore it is not 1, 1. So just to write, since minus 1 and 1 have same image, therefore it is not 1, 1. Similarly, how we can prove it is not on 2? See, if you consider the other real numbers, see, we know modulus x. See, modulus x is always greater than or equal to 0. Modulus means absolute value of that x. So whatever be x, whatever be the number, see, we know modulus of negative 1, 1. What is modulus of negative 2? Negative 2, that is equal to 2. So modulus of 1 equal to 1. So modulus of a number is always positive, non-negative. So modulus x is always greater than or equal to 0. So there are negative numbers in the codomain. So negative real numbers in the codomain have no preimage because f of x equal to modulus x. Modulus x is always greater than or equal to 0. So we can write, so here we have written it is not 1, 1. Just to show one example, here two elements have no same image. Therefore it is not 1, 1. Similarly, we can prove it is not on 2. Just to say which elements have no preimage. So modulus of a number is always greater than or equal to 0. So we can write f of x equal to modulus x, which is greater than or equal to 0 for every x belongs to R. For every real number x, for any number x of the set of real numbers, modulus x always greater than or equal to 0. Therefore, the negative real numbers, have real numbers in the codomain. Negative real numbers in the codomain. See, always we have to consider here. Consider the elements of the codomain which have no preimage. So, negative real numbers in the codomain have no preimage. In domain. So the negative real numbers of the codomain have no preimage in the domain. Therefore, it is not onto. Therefore, it is not onto. So we showed it is neither 1, 1 nor onto. Now see the fifth one. The fifth one, sigram function. F from R to R given by f of x equal to 1, x greater than 0. See, value of the function f of x, either 1 or negative 1 or 0. There are only 3 values for the function f of x. 1, negative 1 and 0. Whenever x greater than 0, for all real numbers greater than 0, value of the function is 1. See, for example, what is the meaning of that? What is f of 5? What is the image of 5? See, since 5 is greater than 0, f of 5 equal to 1. So, f of 5 equal to 1. F of 100, see, we know 100 is a number greater than 0. So, image of 100 is 1. Similarly, for all real numbers greater than 0, positive real numbers, value of the function is always 1. Now, consider negative numbers, f of negative 2. What is negative 2? We know negative 2 is less than 0. So, value of the function is negative 1. F of negative 100, that is also negative 1 because negative 100 is less than 0. So, for all real numbers less than 0, image is negative 1. Here all positive numbers have the image 1. Now, what is the image of 0? When x equal to 0, f of x equal to 0. So, f of 0 equal to 0. See, whatever be the real number, for all real numbers, image is always 1 or minus 1 or 0. So, when we consider domain and codomain, here are, here are. So, this is domain, this is codomain. Now, we have to, now we get an idea whether it is 1, 1 or onto, 1, 1 and onto. See, here we, f of 5, 1, f of 100, 1. So, two different elements have the same image. So, it is not 1, 1. So, we can write. So, if you see some examples, we can understand very easily. So, first write f of 5 equal to 1 and f of 100 equal to 1. So, two different elements. Therefore, two different elements, 5 and 100 have same image, Therefore, it is not 1, 1. Therefore, it is not 1, 1. So, we prove it is not 1, 1. Now, on to. See, we have seen now all the values of the function are either 1 or negative 1 or 0. So, in this set of real numbers here, all real numbers are there. But only 1, negative 1, 0, they have the pre-image. Only these 3 numbers have the pre-image. But remaining all numbers have no pre-image. So, we can write the real numbers other than 1, negative 1 and 0 have no pre-image. So, write the real numbers. So, we can write the real numbers other than negative 1, 1, 0 have no in codomain. So, real numbers other than negative 1, 1, 0 in codomain have no pre-image. Have no pre-image in domain R. Therefore, it is not onto. So, we have proved point is neither 1, 1 nor 1. Okay.